I'm here to help you level up your content marketing. Now, so make sure you're subscribed so you can see more content like this. Now, today I'm talking about how you can create marketing content really quickly, like awesome marketing content, whether that be a video or a photo or just like putting information out there to market your product or your service. Now, there's times in our businesses that we go throughout day to day that we want to like really feature something big that happened to us. Maybe we were featured in an article, right, in a big magazine. Maybe we want to like put an employee on. Maybe we had an employee, we want to show recognition to that employee, and we want to kind of make them feel special and like give a lot of recognition to them beyond just a regular social media post. Maybe we received an industry award, of which I got back here. My client Circadia, they actually received an award for best toner and mister. They actually received a couple of awards. This is one of the products that they received an award on. And so really creating, like the award just got announced. And so we want to create something today and post it today, but we want to make it really special because this is a big deal. Like this is a big industry award on this specific product. So things happen in our businesses where, you know, we need to create marketing quick. We want to create that video really quick because we don't want to, like, we want to give it the attention it deserves, right? We want to, like, maybe a customer came into our business that's a long-time big customer. We want to put them on, like more so than just like an Instagram story. It's like, hey, like we're with this customer. We really want to showcase and make something really special. So the best and most important thing you should do when you're trying to create really quick marketing but make it great, in my mind, is just planning. And what I mean by planning is, you know, it's hard to create stuff day of unless you've like properly cataloged and shot video content for that product or photos for that specific product or that employee, and have it cataloged. For example, right? We want to like really bring a lot of attention to a specific person in our business, right? They achieved some awesome milestone and we want to put them on. Now, for us to be able to create content that day and like shoot all the content of them, interviewing them, talking to them, showing them working is difficult, and we can't just drop everything in our day to create that content. So instead, what I want you to focus on is like thinking about those things in advance and going in and like saying, okay, when we want to feature this employee down the road, when we want to feature this product down the road, how do we create a catalog of a lot of different scenes and footage and you know, video shoots and whatnot on that specific product or that person, right? So what I've done is you know, as I worked with this brand, I actually cataloged and created a lot of footage, not knowing the exact Instagram reel or TikTok or video I'm going to create on this product, but I've created a lot of footage on this already. Now, on the day of, I'm going to do a couple custom shots. I'm going to show you guys here in just 1 second about creating a day of footage, but you're wanting to bring attention to something in your business, right? And so for me, I'm always thinking about, okay, when I do a shoot, when I have a model, when I have lights, camera, action rolling, how do I shoot as many products as possible and catalog them? So when the moment is right, I'm ready to like drop some footage together and create a quick reel day of. You know, time is of the essence. Like this magazine just announced these awards, but we want to kind of like take it to the top and create a piece of content that maybe they will even share on their Instagram feed, right? Where others are just going to show the logo and an image, we're going to create some video content and post it the same day. But like for me, like if I wanted to, you know, bring special attention to this product, or you wanted to bring special attention to something, you can't schedule like a custom shoot with like photographers and videographers and models and stuff like that. But imagine if you had catalog footage of that person, of that product, ready and teed up. It's all about just cutting it together that day, and then you can make that special announcement. You can make that special, kind of like, you know, showcase that special product. So let's show you a little behind the scenes. Okay, so in the video shoot I did before, you can see kind of like I have this darker tile. And so I wanted to create a little backdrop. So I got this vinyl kind of stone looking thing that looks similar to the tile you can see from these shots right here. And then what I'm doing is I'm getting a tray, and this is what, you know, when it pays to have a lot of stuff inside a studio. So I got this tray I'm gonna set this in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add water to that, and I'm gonna shoot some video content. I might throw some like wind on that, throw a hairdryer on that so it makes the water move a little bit, just to create that like cool little splash. I'm also gonna get a couple other shots like this, So plan, right? The best way you can create better marketing the day of is not wait till the day of till you're shooting and creating all that content. Plan and catalog, and again, know that you want to feature all your employees. So like film them at lunch and film them in different environments, film them working hard. You know you want to feature or put on or showcase a specific customer, so film them in different moments, right? You want to like have that footage, and then when it's ready to go, when you have that right idea or you want to feature that customer or product, you've got this awesome footage that's cataloged. Now, you know, luckily now I have a studio here that I can shoot content day of and quickly edit it, but so you don't have that necessarily that benefit. But if you can get it 90% there with this catalog stuff, it sure makes day of content much easier. So like, don't just like post a simple photo. Don't just give a little text post. When you got big news, like market it.